Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook open. Now enable the single supported docking method. From the main ribbon pick view, then to-do bar and select Calendar. This attaches a compact calendar pane to the right of your Mail or other module. Once done, make sure Mail is the active module so the pane remains visible. Switching to the Calendar module removes the docked view. This is the only built-in way to keep a small calendar docked per Microsoft Outlook desktop. Start here. Once the to-do bar calendar is visible, you control its utility by resizing and customizing it. Drag the vertical divider to widen the pane for more detail and double-click a day to open event details. Then go to File, Options, Calendar to set your work week, timescale, and color categories so items display clearly in the docked view. Also consider collapsing or disabling other side panes like People or Tasks to keep the calendar readable without losing essential mail or task context. Finish by confirming the to-do bar stays visible across restarts. Save your layout and restart Outlook to verify persistence. If the docked calendar disappears, make sure you're using the Outlook desktop app and that your account and cached exchange mode aren't interfering. As a quick fix, use View Reset View for the Mail module, then re-enable View to-do bar calendar. If problems continue, restart Outlook in safe mode to test add in conflicts. This isolates causes without changing your calendar data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.